Chris Lay, and welcome to 2 Minute Tips. So let's get the clock going. Here we go. One of the things that we talked about in a prior video was my Basie family, but in particular how there was this book of Basie, and it had all the information on the family tree, 1,010 pages. And I talked about how to go to hathitrust. And if you go to hathitrust.org, and I'll show you the URL here in 1 second, and I just typed in Basie for the Basie family. You can see the Basie family in the United States. I got to see it. Cloyd, Basie, and Tapp families, genealogy of the Cloyd, Basie, and Tapp families. So it's hathitrust.org, hathitrust.org. But another great one is Google Books. And so you type in, books.google.com. It brings up Google Books, and I'm going to type in the same Basie. So here is genealogy of the Cloyd, Basie, and Tapp families, tale of Basie and the Frere and the boy. Basie family in the United States. And so it has a whole bunch of different books that have Basie in there. And then another one specifically to genealogy books, genealogy publisher and seller, Higginson Books. Now this isn't for sale. The first two are for free. You can get them online for free. But that same book, you can get it in hardbound form. So here's the Basie family in the United States. All right, for $110, you get a hardcover book. Yeah, it's pretty pricey, isn't it? So, but it's the same one. This is the same book. You can get it for free on Hathitrust. I can see it for free on Google Books. But if I want a hardbound, tactile version that I can keep and put on my shelf, then Higginson Books, higginsonbooks.com I'll have a lot of books on the different families. So you can just type in whatever the different families are. Here's the tribe, Jacob Seiler, Elizabeth Seiler, and stuff like that. So this is where you can get hardbound, but you're going to pay, and you're really going to pay. Or you can go to Google Books or Hathitrust to get these. Hope you enjoyed the 2 Minute Tip.